So now coming to question number 35, exercise 1, phase 6, indefinite integration. So write this in the form of log x into 1 plus x raised to power minus 3 dx. See, in this question, we cannot use substitution method also. So by parts, IIT method we will use. So log IIT, IL inverse logarithmic. So log will be given the first reference. So this is the first function, second function. Apply that concept. So first function. So I is equal to first function. Integration of this 1 plus x raised to power minus 3 dx minus integration differentiation of this is 1 upon x into integration of 1 plus x raised to power minus 3 dx, and one more dx will come. So this will be ln x 1 plus x raised to power minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1. So minus 1 upon 2. So this will become minus 1 upon 2 1 plus x square. So minus plus 1 upon 2 I am taking outside, 1 upon x into 1 plus x square dx. This will be in this form. So let us integrate this. So this is equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is log x upon 1 plus x square plus 1 upon 2 I1. So this I1 we will calculate separately. So I1 is how much? I1 is equal to 1 x into 1 plus x whole square dx. So by this time, you must know how to simplify this type of questions. Both are linear factors, it is repeated linear factors. So earlier also we have done similar problem. So we will write this as, let us do by factorization. So 1 upon x into 1 plus x whole square is equal to a upon x plus b upon 1 plus x plus c upon 1 plus x whole square. Take LCM. So LCM will cancel out. So 1 will be equal to a into 1 plus x whole square plus bx into 1 plus x plus cx. Now, we can compare coefficient of x square. We can put x equal to 0. We can put x equal to 1. So if I put x equal to 0, 1 is equal to 0. 1 square is 1a. This is 0. This is 0. Second, put x equal to 1 minus 1. Minus 1. So 1 is equal to, this will be 0. This will be 0 minus c. So c is equal to minus 1. So c is equal to minus 1. For b, you can put x is any number, x1, x2. I will compare coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Because this is a polynomial, it must be always true for all x. So here there is no coefficient of x squared, so 0, x square into a, so a, bx squared plus b. So this will go, b is equal to minus a, means minus 1. So this integral will change into in this form. So this I1 is equal to integral of a into 1 upon x plus b into 1 upon 1 plus x plus c into 1 plus x raised to the power minus 2 dx will be there everywhere. So this will be a log x plus b log 1 plus x plus c 1 plus x raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. So it will be minus 1 upon 1 plus x. Put these values here along with the ABC. So you will get this final answer will be minus log x upon 2 1 plus x whole square plus 1 upon 2. What is the I1? Put this. First a. What is a? A is 1. So log x. So I am putting this here only. Log x. B is minus 1 I think. So minus log of 1 plus x. And c is how much? Minus 1. So minus minus plus. So 1 upon 1 plus x. This value put here. So log x upon 1 plus x plus 1 upon 1 plus x plus some constant of integration. So this is the answer of that. Thank you.